Welcome back to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi here. Well, we are continuing work on the HK Models 1/48 scale B-25J Mitchell. I have painted the interior of the fuselage so-called yellow-green zinc chromate. This color was achieved with the ratios recommended in the kit instructions of 5 parts of XF4 and 1 part of XF1. Other details in the cockpit have also been painted at this stage. The plan now is to glue the bomb bay compartment to the fuselage. I decided that the bomb bay door will be closed on the finished model, so painting this area was not necessary. At this point, I decided to scratch build a floor and a door for one of the fuselage access hatches. Thin plastic steps were added to the floor to add some detail, though I believe rivets would be much more appropriate in this area. These details will add to an otherwise lacking interior, much of which would not be seen except through the windows. Not knowing how much the windows reveal, I decided it was best to just do a little bit extra than what the kit provides. Next, the painted areas received a healthy dose of gloss, then after that dried, I began applying the wash. The wash is made with my usual Winsor and Newton Artist oils and terpenoid mixture. I wanted to create a very dark gray, but with a hint of brown. wash was applied liberally and allowed to dry. As usual, Q-tips and a large soft brush were used to remove the excess dried wash. It never ceases to amaze me the depth of realism washes add to a model. Well, that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.